Lesson 14.1, Task 6. Translate between formulas for arithmetic sequences. Write a recursive formula for the arithmetic sequence defined by the explicit formula a of n equals -8 plus 12n. Find the first term of the sequence, a of 1. So the first thing we're going to do is go from -8, use our common difference to go one term further, and find 4. So the common difference is the coefficient of n in the explicit formula. So a recursive formula for the sequence is a of 1 equals 4, have to have your first term, and then a of n equals a times n minus 1 plus 12. So this is our general formula, and remember your first term is part of that recursive general formula. All right, so it says, what is another way you can use the explicit formula to find the common difference? Select all that apply. So this says I cannot use the explicit formula to find the common difference. Well, we just did, so we know that one's not true. I could use the explicit formula to find any two consecutive terms in the sequence and then find the difference between the terms. That's true, you could do that. I could use the explicit formula to determine that a of 1 equals 4 and a of 2 equals 16 and then find the difference. Yes, this one's basically saying the same as this, except this one says you can use any two terms as long as they're consecutive, and this one says term 1 and 2, which are still consecutive terms. I must have the first term and the common difference. That's not true because you can find that information as you go. All right, how can you check that the recursive formula is correct? Well, you can use the formula to plug in N1, N2, N3, N4, like use so many terms and see that the sequence matches the other formula. All right, so that is all for task 6. If you have any questions, let me know. Lesson 14.1, task 7. Apply recursive formulas for arithmetic sequences. Lisa and Aaron each receive a gift card for an online company that offers streaming movies and music subscriptions. Lisa's gift card is for $100. She uses it to buy a movie subscription that costs $10 per month. Aaron's gift card is for $75. He uses it to buy music subscription that costs $8 per month. All right, for each gift card, write a recursive formula given the remaining balance on the card after n months. What is the balance on each gift card after 5 months? Are Lisa and Aaron able to use up their entire values of their gift cards with their subscriptions? All right, so we've got several things to do. First, we have to write formulas. Then we have to see what the balance is for each after 5 months. And then tell if Lisa and Aaron are able to use up their entire subscription. All right, so it says let L of n equals Lisa's gift card balance after n months, and let A of n equals Aaron's gift card balance after n months. All right, for these sequences, the first term corresponds to n equals 0 rather than n equals 1 and represents the initial balance on the gift card. So that's like your y-intercept, your beginning balance. The recursive formulas are as follows. So Lisa's at L0 equals 100. Her starting balance on her gift card is $100. And A of 0, Aaron's, is $75. So their formulas would be L of n equals L times n minus 1 minus 10. Remember, she used $10 per month to pay her movie subscription. Aaron's is A times n minus 1 minus 8. His music subscription was $8 per month, so his gift card will decrease by $8 each month. All right, so it says, are these arithmetic sequences? If so, what is the common difference for each? So if it's an arithmetic sequence, that means you can add or subtract to get to the next term. So yes, these are arithmetic sequences. The common difference for Lisa is -10. The common difference for Aaron is -8. And that was given in the little caption above. So it says, what does the common difference for each sequence represent? So it it represents the amount they pay per month for their subscription. One was for movies and one was for music. All right, so it says use the recursive formulas in a spreadsheet to find the terms of each sequence. So you can see that Lisa's beginning balance was $100, and that was in month 0. That was her beginning balance. And each month it went down by $10. Aaron's was $75 originally, and his went down $8 per month. Okay, so you can see month 5, they ask after 5 months how much each had. So one had 50 and one had 35. You also can see from the table that at the bottom, Lisa's balance is 0. So that means she got to use the entire amount on her gift card. Aaron's gift card says -5. Well, you can't spend negative amount of money, at least not on a gift card. Maybe a credit card, but not on a gift card. All right, so at the end of this month, he had $3 left, and his monthly subscription was $8, so he does not have enough to purchase the next month's subscription. All right, so it says, what formula would you enter in cells B3 and C3? All right, so B3 would be right here. So how did we get 90? We took B2 minus 10. And for C3 was 75 minus 8. So that's going to be C2 minus 8. All right, so what does this negative number in cell C12 tell you about the situation? All right, again, that means he did not have enough money on his gift card to purchase that month's subscription. So he had to stop after this month, and he had $3 left, so he did not spend his entire amount of money. All right, so a negative number means that there is not enough money on Aaron's gift card to purchase the 10th month of subscription. Okay, same thing. All right, so after 5 months, Lisa's gift card balance is $50 and Aaron's was $35. So we could see that from the table. After 5 months, 50 and 35. So that answered one of the questions. And it says Lisa has a balance of 0 after 10 months, so she was able to use her entire gift card. However, Aaron has a balance of $3 after 9 months, which is not enough to purchase the 10th month of service. So Aaron cannot use up his entire gift card unless he uses that $3 on something else, but he can't use it on another month of music subscription. All right, that's all for task 7. If you have any questions, let me know.